Hello students, you are welcome back to my channel Simplified English. Today we are going to deal with the poem Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know from Standard 8, my English book. This poem is written by Harry Bain. We know that trees are the kindest things than other things. Means trees are very useful for us. They provide us so many things. Means they provide us fruits, flowers, shade, and wood, and also important of which is very important for our life and is oxygen, and many more things also. Trees give trees gives us so many facilities. Trees maintain the balance of nature. They keeps the environment clean and pure. They are the kindest things. What says that? Because trees never harm to anyone or anything on the earth. Always they helpful to mankind. And that's why we call trees are our best friend. Our life is impossible without trees. And in this poem, we also going to learn the importance of trees. Here is the chit chat activity and we will see it. When do you receive gifts? Yes, on my birthday. Yes. Do you like to give gifts? Yes. From whom do you get gifts? From your friends and your parents and also aunts and uncles. Very nice. What is the best gift that you have ever received? Yes, I received a wristwatch from my uncle. Why is it special for you? Because it is very important for me, because it is a special gift which is given on my birthday. What gifts do trees give to mankind? Yes, trees provide us sweet fruits and beautiful flowers, and also giving shade and shelter. It also gives the wood for the furniture for our house and for making house also. Name two parts of trees that begin with. Means here is the letter B. Which part are begin with B? Branches and bark. Yes, next one is F. Means fruits and flowers. These two words are begin with F. And next, the word begin with T. And which are these? Yes, these are the tree tops and also stem. Sorry, trunk. Means from the T there are two words and these are trunk and also tree top. Let's see the poem line by line. Trees are the kindest things I know. Trees are the kindest thing I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, the leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new buds of green. They are the first when days began to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest thing I know. Harry Bent. And this is the poem, and we will see line by line. We will take the first two lines. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow. In the opening lines, poet expressed that how the trees are the kindest things. Means trees are very kindest. They are harmless. They never harm to anyone. They never harm to anything on the earth. But they helpful to us. And they simply grow and they demand nothing from us. And spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. Here is the new word, boughs. What is meant by boughs? Boughs means branches. Branches of trees, large branches, which came from stem. And how the trees help on another way is it is spread shade, means it gives the shelter to sleepy cows, means trees every time gives the shelter to animals and also human beings, and he gives the place to the birds on its branches, big branches. We know that birds build a nest for their young ones on the branches of the trees. म्हणजेच पहा की याच्यामधून कवी सांगतोय की झाडे ही नेहमी काय असतात, परोपकारी असतात, की झाडं फक्त ते वाढतात आपल्याकडून कुठल्या म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये कुठलीच रिटर्न कुठल्याही प्रकारे ते काही मागत नाहीत, आणि त्याचबरोबर ते नेहमी प्राण्यांना निवारा देतात, त्याचबरोबर पक्ष्यांना निवारा देतात, आणि आपण सुद्धा झाडांपासून फर्निचर बनवतो, त्याचबरोबर आपलं स्वतःचं घर सुद्धा बनवतो. They gives us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of. And in this line, poet says that how the trees provide us, how the trees are beneficial to us. It provides us very sweet fruits and also flowers, and he also provide the wood, and with the help of wood we will make the furniture in our house, and also we will make our houses from the trees. And the another use of the wood is to making toys and to making boats and ships also, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. And in the next two lines, here is the another quality of trees, how it is the kindest thing. Poet expressed that, and leaves to burn in Halloween, means in the foreign countries there is what is meant by Halloween. Halloween means a festival in autumn observed in Western countries. In the foreign countries there is a festival and its name is Halloween, and in that period there is a autumn season, and in the autumn season the leaves are falling, and there is also a very cold atmosphere, and that's why everyone wants to hit and all the leaves from that trees we will also burn in that Halloween, and the human beings get the heat from that burning leaves. And the next line, in the spring new birds of green. And at the same time in India there is a springtime, and that's why here is a very hot atmosphere, but the trees grieve the birds and they maintain the atmosphere, means it decreases the intensity of hotness. In this way बघा की झाडं जरी माणूस जरी फॉरेन कंट्रीज मध्ये असला तरी त्यांना सुद्धा तिथं काय करतात की आनंददायी वातावरण देण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात, त्यांना सुद्धा उपयोगीच पडतात. आणि त्याचबरोबर ऍट द सेम सीझन दे ऑल्सो प्रोव्हाइड द व्हेरी cold atmosphere or helpfulness in the India also. They are the first when days began to touch the beams of morning sun. Here is the word beams. What is meant by beams? Means rays. The rays of sun. Suryachi kirane. And they are the first when days began to touch. And the first rays of the sun, they fall on the trees and they started to make their food and to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night, and at the last, means at the last of the day when the sun set, at that time the last rays also received by trees, and at that time there is the atmosphere which is near to changes into night, and when a moon floats on the sky they hum a drowsy lullaby. We know that in the evening time there is sunset and there is a moon appears in the sky, and that time there is a cold wind is blowing, and poet imagines that it sings like a lullaby. What is meant by lullaby? Means soft slow song to put children to sleep. ललबाय मीन्स अंगाई गीत, आणि वाऱ्याचे जे शांत मंदपणा किंवा त्याची जी झुळूक आहे ब्रीज, तर ती कवीनं त्याचं वर्णन केलेलं आहे की ते अगदीच कशासारखी आहे म्हणतो, जसं काही झाडं लहान मुलांना झोपण्यासाठी काय करत आहेत, अंगाई गीत गात आहेत. ऑफ स्लीपी चिल्ड्रेन लॉंग अगो ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग आय नो. आणि कवी म्हणतो शेवटी की हे जे अंगाई गीत आहे झाडांचं ते कोणासाठी आहे, तर छोट्या मुलांना झोपवण्यासाठी. अगदीच झाडे काय करत आहेत, स्वतः ललबाय गात आहेत, स्वतः अंगाई गीत गात आहेत आणि बाळांना शांतपणे झोपवण्याचं काम करत आहेत. इन दिस वे ट्रीज प्रोव्हाइड सो मेनी फॅसिलिटीज टू द ह्युमन बीइंग and it is very useful for us. Here are the rhyming pairs. This way means no, grow, cows, bows, above, of, Halloween, green, begun, sun, light, night, and sky, lullaby, ago, and no. These are the rhyming pairs, and you must know that also. Do you understand this poem? It's very useful and very important poem, because we know that without trees our life is not possible. Thank you.